How to add bio link on threads. So if you want to add your link to your threads profile, then this video is going to help you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add bio link on threads, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the threads app. So this could be on your Android and it could be on your iPhone. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then go ahead and click on edit profile. Once you tap edit profile, hang on, then here you should say write your bio or add link. So go ahead and click on add link. Then here you want to type the link you want to add. You can also copy and paste the link. Then once you type the link, click on check mark at the top right or import link from Instagram. If you want to use the same profile link on your Instagram account as well as your thread account, just click on import link from Instagram. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on the check button at the top right. Then here, locate done and click on it. Once you click on the done button, it's going to save the settings you changed. Then if you go back to your thread profile, you're going to see the profile link you added. You see that? And once you click on the profile link, this is going to open the profile link on the built-in browser on the thread app. You see that? So that is basically how to add bio link or profile links on thread. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.